Hey, Naya. Want to tell us a bedtime story? On your rocking chair? Can you tell me a story, Naya? Naya, I want to go to sleep. Can you tell me a story? Ah, so beautiful. I love your story. What else happened? Oh, yeah? Wow, what next? Really? Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, that's too bad. Oh. Oh. And? What's the climax of the story? Oh. Oh, I love that. That's amazing. Yeah.
Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
How does it end?
Wanna get up? Wanna get up?
Yeah, I guess.
You're done? Now say all done.
Say, all done.
All done.
We're done.
All done. Oli. All done. All done.
Say bye-bye. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
See you next time with another story. Bye bye.
Yeah.